Okay, so let's just say that if you have a PowerShell 5 version and if you would like to upgrade it to 7 of 7.1 or 7.2 or even later, how can you actually do that? Now I do have Windows 11 and this should very well work same with the Windows 10 as well. First, let's see the current version of PowerShell. To take a look at that, you will see ps version table dot ps version. Hit run and you will see that it shows major 5, minor 1, and then build and revision. So what that means is we have PowerShell 5.1. How do we upgrade the PowerShell to 7.x? So let's go ahead and head over to the GitHub, and I'm just gonna help with the simple URL github.com PowerShell/PowerShell. Okay, you should end up on this page. Head over and scroll all the way down. You would see different downloadables. Depending on your platform, you can download the file. I'm looking for a stable version and not the preview. I have 64-bit versions of Windows. I'm going to go and click on MSI, stable version. Let's click on that. It would start downloading. Let's just wait for that download to complete. Okay, so now we have PowerShell 7.4.1 installed. Let's go ahead, double click that, and it will start installation of PowerShell 7. Click next. Next, you can see an interesting option, add run with PowerShell 7 context menu for PowerShell files. Sometimes it would be really important and useful, so you can go ahead and click yes for that as well. Click next. Enable updating PowerShell through Microsoft Update. I don't want really this option for now, and I also do not want this. Click on next, install, and because I'm the administrator, the installation would start. Okay, so it has started installation of PowerShell 7. Alright, the installation completed successfully. Let's click on finish. Okay, so now let's go ahead, and if you search for PowerShell, you will see PowerShell 7. Alright, so you can go ahead, click run as administrator. Okay, so now if you will observe ps version table.ps version, it should now give you 7.4. Alright, so you can work with PowerShell 7 as well, and at the same time you can also work with PowerShell 5. So both the versions can coexist and work parallelly. There are some programs, some functions that would now only work with PowerShell 7 or higher, and you can use PowerShell 7 for that. For the remaining ones which are still okay to be worked with PowerShell 5, you can use PowerShell 5 as well. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how do we upgrade PowerShell 5 to PowerShell 7. I thank you for watching the video.